I'm going to discuss the primitive and non-primitive things. So here we go. Primitive and non-primitive in JavaScript. Okay. So here I am giving you one basic concept, like you can say trick to remember. NNSSBBU. What is this NNSSBBU? It's nothing but it's like you can say it's kind of abbreviation which we have created. Like if I write here N, it is simply when we take N. So one time it's null, one time it's number, NNS, one time it's string, and one time it's symbol. B, one time it's big int, and one time it's boolean. And U, so simply undefined. So this was like the stuff of BB. Now simply this is like the data types, primitive data types. And when we talk about the non-primitive data type, that is object. Okay, object is non-primitive. Simply the non-primitive data type, which is actually given with the help of key value pair. The people who have studied the Python, they must be knowing that when we are taking the key value pair, that time it will be dictionary. But in the case of JavaScript, it is known as object. If here you are going to call it dictionary, it will be simply wrong. Okay, so objects are given in the key value pair, but it is not the dictionary in the case of JavaScript. Okay, so here I'm going to I'm taking this data types here right now. What is this? I just gave it. Now it's fine. F equals to symbol, and I am a symbol. Then G is undefined. Fine. So this we have taken. Now if I just console it, so A, B, C, D, E, F, and G we are having. Let's run it. So here you can see we are getting them all. And simply let me just show it to you. Yes. So here null, this all is getting printed. 361 N, it is getting printed. That is simply for the big int which we have taken, symbol and undefined. Now if I want to add something to the big int, so we can directly add it like that also. Here you can see it's working. Acha, what is the way to get the, if you want to get the data type, you want to check the data type, how you will be able to check the data type of a particular value, of a particular variable? You have to use the type of. So simply if you want to get that, so you have to use the type of particular variable, whichever you want to check the type. So it's giving the object because A was null. Fine, let's take it B. So B will be simply integer. Number it is. Okay, so this was like I just wanted to demonstrate these things because we have not done it practically in the separate files.